Hello everyone. Today is, Rusty, what is today? April 19th? Something like that. I'm doing a quick video because I'm just going to kind of explain to those of you that have been following us through this whole journey of our trailer build. First of all, our trailer is okay today. There was some very, very horrible tornadoes that were very devastating, and I'm probably going to throw some pictures in here so that you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about, mainly the Lowe's picture. You know, I've told you guys several times that we generally have to drive 30 miles to go to Lowe's. So we try to get a list going and everything. Well, that Lowe's was one of the places that was hit last night. Just keep your prayers, you know, and keep us all in your prayers, because it's a Shawnee, Oklahoma is a pretty decent sized place. I mean, there's everything over there, but even the mall was hit. So there's going to be a lot of places that won't be open, I'm sure, for quite some time. I don't know if Lowe's is repairable or not. The roof is gone on part of it, but we do know it's not going to be opened anytime soon. We don't have a lot of materials left to purchase, and I'm not complaining because, you know, I'm just so thankful that we're okay here, because a tornado did come near us also. It came our direction. It always does. If it hits Shawnee, it's going to come near us. But luckily for us, it was about 2 miles west of us. So it did not, we had a lot of hail last night, but no hail damage on our trailer or anything like that, or on any of our other property, because our hail wasn't as bad as it was 2 miles over. So please keep, you know, tornado victims in your prayers. So now we're going to probably take the supplies that we do have on hand and take our trailer build as far as we can take it at this point. Because now, in order to buy more materials, we are going to be driving all the way to Oklahoma City, which is about 60-65 miles for us, to go to a Home Depot or another Lowe's up there to finish purchasing the supplies that we need. And we do need things like this beadboard you see hanging on the wall. We can't get that, you know, any place but a Lowe's or a Home Depot. So we know that now we're going to have to, because we only need 2 sheets of it, so we're going to have to make that long haul at least one time between now and the time that we finish this. Rusty's finishing up our dovetail, screwing our 3/4 inch plywood in from our last video. I just wanted to let you guys know that if you think we're doing things in a weird order, it's because we just don't have easy access now to go and purchase any materials that we need to do the project that we would want to do first. We did get a lot done yesterday, and that's why I posted 3 videos yesterday. I don't know when this video will post, but I think today we lost power for a little bit this morning, but it's back on now because we were making plan B, what we could do without power, because we do have some battery operated tools. But I think today we do have our insulation for the flooring, and we do have our flooring. And now that the cabinets are set, we can go ahead and begin our flooring. So I think that is our plan today. We're also going to do a leak check on our water, because now that all of our sinks and everything is in, we're going to be able to, right, Rusty? Rusty, say good morning.
Good morning.
We're going to be able to go ahead and do a leak test today too. So cross your fingers. That, you know how that goes. You never know until you do it. But so we'll be turning water onto the trailer today, just so we can let it run for a little while and make sure everything's good there. We did have heavy rains last night, and we've been out here working on the trailer. We didn't realize there was a bad storm coming. So we had the butyl tape, but we also planned on putting some Lexel around our windows, and we came out midnight last night to check on the trailer after the storm, and we did have one small leak that was coming in from our new windows. So this first thing this morning, I got up there with the ladder and I've got it all Lexel'd. I think that's how you say that stuff. Anyways, we've sealed it again. But there was a couple places where the window frame was barely hitting one of the screws on the side of the building, and so I think that was probably our culprit in causing that little bit of a leak. So I have all that. I've overdid it, so I'm going to have to probably get up there and cut some of it away after it dries good, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. Main thing is I don't want any leaks in here. The leaks we had on the ceiling, we fixed it 2 or 3 weeks ago, and apparently that is holding up quite well because we had no more ceiling leaks this time. So anyway, that's an update. I just wanted to let you guys know that, you know, if you think we're doing something in the wrong order, you're probably right. There's just nothing else we can do at this point because we can't just run 65 miles one way every couple of days like we kind of could with the Lowe's in Shawnee. So, but we're going to continue from here and enjoy the video. I am going to ask, you know, we're showing from beginning to end a complete cargo build. Please subscribe, please like the videos through YouTube so they will send those to more people so more people can see the video. I have found out through doing the videos now that a lot of people don't even realize that there's a whole cargo building conversion family out there. So make sure that you are subscribing if you want to see them all, and make sure mostly that you hit that like button because that will have the YouTube send it to more people that might be looking for something sort of like this. So let's just reach out to more people by sharing these. Okay, I'm gonna go here and you'll probably start seeing some of us maybe doing the flooring. I'm not sure where we're gonna start, but I'll video here and there today. You guys have a great day and thank you for watching. Okay, the first thing we were doing this morning was our leak test, and it was a fail. We think it's the crimpers we were using on these little metal things right there. You crimp them with these special looking plier things. We think the ones we had weren't working as they should, which has Rusty concerned because he's got a lot of water lines underneath the flooring in here too. So we're going to fix the ones we know we have and hope that's the only ones we have. And then today we're going to turn the water on when we get these fixed. And we're going to leave it on and just keep checking underneath the trailer and our flooring, and just kind of every place we can check without completely ripping everything out to see, make sure we don't have any more leaks. And I don't mean ripping it all out, but just either having to crawl under the trailer to fix it or pulling our board out over here, our trap door, which that's not a big deal. Okay, well, I just wanted you guys to know, if you're a new plumber or even an experienced plumber, leaks can happen. It's no big deal. You just find them, fix them, and move on. So that's our leak test. I'll let you know how that goes later. Okay, it took Rusty about literally 3 minutes to replace a couple of those clamps up there. I went and turned the water back on, and our leaks seem to be resolved. We're going to leave the water on now for the rest of the day while we're working out here. And of course, we'll turn it off tonight, but we're going to leave it on today while we're out here, which is nice because now I have water to clean with. And we'll see. Oh, he's got the sink running. And then we'll see, too, we'll keep checking underneath the trailer, see if we see any water dripping from underneath. So I just thought I'd let you guys know it was a pretty quick fix.